I've been talking on my live streams lately about setting up the ultimate Roku experience. I've got the Roku TV, the wireless speakers, the subwoofer. It's a really nice setup, but I thought to myself, I wonder if I could add to this. Okay, and then in those same live streams, we were talking about the Roku Streambar Pro being on a pretty significant sale at the time. So I bought one. Turns out it's a friggin' brick, and I'll tell you why. Let's dive in. Thanks for joining me today, everybody. Don't forget to join me on those Friday live streams. Every Friday at 2 p.m. We're talking about streaming issues. We're talking about other tech issues. We're hanging out, having a good time, doing lots of Q&A. Hope you'll be there. Okay, so let's talk about why I'm so disappointed with Roku right now. If you've been watching this channel for a while, then you know that I'm something of a Roku fanboy historically. Maybe not as much now as it used to be, but still, I love Roku. So the idea was to make a video about the ultimate Roku experience. What if I could get all of their gears and gadgets and gizmos and put them all together for the ultimate home cinematic Roku experience? So like I said, I've already got the TV. It's a TCL 6 series Roku smart TV that I bought a couple of years ago. I've got the wireless speakers set up next to it, and I got the subwoofer a month or two ago to go with all of that. Frankly, I've been really impressed with the sound on those. I've really loved the experience, and that's what I wanted to expand on. Enter the Streambar Pro. Everywhere you look, when you look at the marketing material for the Streambar Pro, you see that it talks about the potential for surround sound setup. The idea behind this thing is that it's a sound bar, but it's also a Roku streaming device. It's kind of built right in. Well, obviously I've already got the Roku TV, so I didn't necessarily need the streaming device, but hey, I thought it would be good to get the sound bar to start the process of setting up that surround system. And frankly, the device itself is good. This video isn't about the Roku Streambar Pro being bad. It's good. The sound quality on this isn't quite what you would get from the wireless speakers, but it's still pretty decent for a soundbar at this price. So I hooked it up to the TV and immediately started running into problems. As I was trying to pair it with my TV gave me the warning that, well, I can only pair a wireless speaker set or a wireless soundbar, not both of them. It's a little bit weird that I can't pair my Roku device with my Roku TV, but okay, whatever. The solution I thought would be to plug this in as a stream bar and use this as the streaming device instead of the TV's inbuilt software as the streaming device. So I would go in through one of the inputs and then pair my wireless speakers and the subwoofer with the stream bar. I know I can do that. Well, after hours, and I do mean hours, of trying every possible combination, unplugging every cord, hitting every reset button, doing everything that I could to make this work, I gave up and I called customer service. I called Roku and I said, what is going on? Here's the setup I'm trying to go with. Here's what I'm trying to do. And bless her heart, a woman on the other end, she was great. This is not a complaint about Roku's customer service, so let's not go there. She was great, but she essentially said, yeah, that's never going to happen. What I was told is that the software within the Streambar Pro and the software within the TV are conflicting with each other, and I cannot pair the speakers to the soundbar when it's plugged into a Roku TV. Are you freaking kidding me? So because I have a Roku TV, I cannot then use a Roku Streambar Pro to set up surround sound. Now, if I tried to go just with the TV as my primary setup, well, you can go into the settings there and connect speakers, but then once you've got a single pair of speakers and a subwoofer, it'll tell you that's the max. You can't add anything more to this system. Well, the Streambar Pro promises on the website that it can take all of those things. It can take up to 4 speakers and it can take the subwoofer. Great, but then I can't use that on a Roku TV. So again, I ask you, are you freaking kidding me? So bottom line is, if I want a surround sound system, I have to get a different TV. And that's not going to happen. I just bought this TV a year or two ago. It's still in great condition. I have no desire to switch to a different brand. But that's exactly what I would have to do. I would either have to get a different TV or I would have to get a different sound system setup, something that is not Roku branded. Now, Roku has been trying for a few years now to set up their own little Roku ecosystem with the sound devices, with the TV, with the Hey Roku abilities that they're building into their software. But compatibility across your own devices, kind of a big deal. Now, if it seems like I'm frustrated, it's only because I am. Okay, I spent a decent chunk of change on this, even though it was on sale, and now I'm gonna have to either send it back or, I don't know, do a giveaway on the channel or something. Let me know if that would interest you. It's still a good soundbar, just not with a Roku TV. So this video is all about me warning you not to try what I tried. And it's a warning to Roku that this is a giant gaping hole in your supposed ecosystem. So if you do have a Roku TV and you're looking to get just one device to add to it, you could get either the Streambar Pro or the wireless speakers. Please, for the love of God, get the wireless speakers. They're so much better. So pair those with the subwoofer and you'll have a very good setup. I would like for mine to be even better, but apparently that's not going to happen right now. All right, everybody, thanks for watching my bitter rant. If you enjoyed this video, then go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if I missed anything. Was there a solution that I didn't know about? Let me know before I pack this up and send it back. All right, I'll see you guys next time.